Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can fix the GPG check failed error. Whenever we try to either update or upgrade our system packages which comes pre-installed on our operating system. This error especially occurs on AlmaLinux 8, so we are trying to fix that on the same OS. We have to answer few prompts here, which I'm entering by typing Y. Each time it asks us we need to type Y and press enter. After that, we will see this error, as you can see on my screen. This error states that you can remove the cache plugin by executing yum clean packages due to a GPG check failed error. To fix this error, you will find a knowledge base article on our official website. You can find that article either in the knowledge base and under AlmaLinux category, or I will provide its direct link in the description of this video. When we open this article, the first thing we need to do is to log into your server as root. Which I already did, so the first step is to verify the RPM to see whether it is installed or not. We will verify it with this command. Since we did not get any error, it means it is installed, so we need to rebuild its database once. For this, we will run this command in our terminal while logged in as root. As soon as I run this command, I did not get any error here either. Next, we have to run this third command, which is sudo yum clean all, to see how many packages we have removed. As you can see, it has removed 285 packages. After that, we need to disable GPG check. So first, by running this command, it will open a file in our text editor. I am using nano, and nano is not installed here. So first, I run this command to install nano. The command is very simple and it is not necessary to open it in Nano. You can use any text editor. After opening it in the editor, you will see that GPG check is equal to 1. You need to make it 0. 1 means true, a Boolean value, and you need to change it to 0. After that, to save this file, press Ctrl+X, type Y, and then press enter. Now you need to run this command. Copy it from curl to AlmaLinux. One command is mentioned in 2 lines, so be careful while copying the command. And run this command. After that, we need to run this command in order to import the RPM GPG key. Next is, we need to check the status. 99 out of 100 times you will find it enabled on your server. And we need to disable it. To disable status, we need to run this command. Again, that's a Boolean value 0, which means false. The error has been resolved. Now when you run the same command which we run at the start to see the error. To update and upgrade the pre-installed system packages, this time, as you can see, we didn't get any error. But let's wait for some time to clarify that. Yes, no error this time. As you can see, the update has been completed, and the error which we have faced earlier due to this command has gone. So that's how we can fix this error. Thank you for your time.